Now people ask me this all the time. Flo, how fast can you actually drive in Germany? And I think today we should find out together. And it's a very lucky day because we're gonna find out in a very special car. This one. Now I know what you guys are thinking, is this my car? And I wish it would be my car, but no, I just know someone who owns this car who was happy to just take it for a ride today, so yeah. Unfortunately, no. Unfortunately, I do not own this awesome car. Now you're probably thinking, BMW, so what? Well, it's a very special car here in this region because it is from Munich. And actually the B stands for Bavaria, which is the part of southern Germany where Munich is. M is for motor and W is Werke in German, which means factory. So BMW is Bavarian Motor Factory. There we go. So very special car. People love this here in the south. Let's take it for a spin. Now before we can get to the Autobahn, we have to leave this street, and this is a special street because it's a play street, so literally you're only allowed to drive as fast as one can walk because people or kids could play here. So first we have to be very slowly here before we can see how fast we can actually drive here in Germany on the Autobahn. Alright, here we go. That's the entry to the Autobahn. Alright. Alright, here we go, the Autobahn, and yeah, you can literally go as fast as your car goes. Of course, you have to be careful. So usually how it works, there's 3 lanes. The left is the fastest, on the right, that's the slowest. You can only overtake on the left, and you can go as fast as your car takes you. But of course, you have to be careful. And actually, this is the safest street when you look at the statistics in Germany. Now there's one thing, as you look here, it's not only as fast as you can go, there's certain limits as well. So for example, now they put it down to 120, but before, yeah, you could go as fast as your car goes, but you always have to be careful. And welcome to the headquarters of BMW, right here in the heart of Munich. Another cool thing is this here, because it's a BMW logo, so when you fly in above Munich, you would see the BMW logo. It's pretty cool. And yeah, as you can see, maybe the architect, he was a genius, because can you see the structure, what it looks like? It's like a motor. So here you go, in the heart of Munich. And then there's one thing that Germans love to do on the weekend, and that's to check out the brand new cars. So here on the other side you have all the new BMWs, and on the weekend you can find all the people here. So let's check it out. So welcome to the BMW World. You can see all the fancy new cars here. On the weekend this will be packed. Roam around, check out the new cars. I told you, the Germans love their cars. Okay, you gotta check this out. This is the future car that they designed. You can literally sit here, can put your feet here. Either it's self-driving or you can drive for yourself. There's a little table there. These things are getting crazy.
Dann haben Sie den idealen Einstieg.
And I'm sitting inside. Super comfy. Look at this.
Und Sie haben jetzt da 3 Knöpfe.
Aha.
Wenn Sie da genau da mal draufdrücken, dann würden Sie zum Beispiel, genau, es kann sein, genau, dass Sie sich das so zurechtbeamen,
wie es passt.
Fährt sich dann ein Bildschirm aus. Leider kann ich Ihnen das nicht zeigen.
This is great and it's super comfy. It's nice and lots of room. It's really cool. Really cool. One of the cool things as well is to drive without the top, but it's windy, as you can hear. As well, you see it's a Tuesday noon, but there's always a lot of people on the roads. And what do Germans do on the weekend? Yes, we love our cars, so we come here to wash them. So now behind me you can see where we'll wash them. Usually on the weekend there will be a huge queue with this weather. It's Tuesday now, so there's not a long queue, but yeah, let's wash this thing. Now you think that's it? Oh no, there's more. First, we're gonna clean it out with the vacuum cleaner, and then you're gonna use the towel to clean it. I told you, Germans really love their cars. There's even a saying they love them more than their wives, so this is proof. Now, I've been in the Middle East, and there usually people fill up the gas for you. Here in Germany, you gotta do it yourself. And it is quite expensive if you compare it to the places there. Like, before the crisis, a liter was about 150 euros. So. Now, a lot of you probably are asking, how is it to drive such a car? And it's just pure amazement. It's beautiful. I mean, it runs super smooth. It's super fast. It's a lot of fun to drive. So I think, yeah, we can admit that I think Germans and cars, that combination goes well.